Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create logos on different niche. You can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms, or you can sell this skill on social media. You can target offline market. You can go to google.com and search websites and related to logo designs and ask them about your service, then they will surely hire you. So in today's video I will teach you about how you can create text logo in Canva. So let's move towards Canva. If you don't know about Canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software available online. It is very easy and handy to use. It is easy to learn. You can easily learn this software. And if you want to know complete about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech. I upload the playlist which is called Canva designing course, and after watching the playlist you will know everything about Canva. So let's get started. I click on create a design. Here I search for logo. So the most popular format is for 500 by 500, but it depends upon the client need. So if client give you the size, and you will make according to it. So I go to elements. Here I want to write tech. So it gives us different elements related to tech. So our dummy I put a dummy company which name is Tech Mars. So Tech Mart. So let's choose one of the template. So I like this one. This is good. I'm going to for text, so I write here Tech Mart and I place it here, and I change the font like this. No, it's not look good. Yeah, it's look good, but we have to reduce the size. And after that I want to change the background color black. So as you can see, we created a logo in just 2 to 3 minutes. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.